So this is everything that I received in the month of November. If you want to see what's there inside, do watch this video till the end.
First package is by the brand called Rene, and they did send me whole Bollywood filter range, the compact, the foundation, and also the Bollywood filter primer. Next we have Dot & Key, and I have got two of their products. One is their Mango Detan Clay Mask, and the other is my absolute favorite. It is their Strawberry Dew Melt and Flash Cleansing Balm. Next package is by the brand called M Caffeine. I have received their coffee hydrogel under eye patches and also their lip and cheek glow tint. These are the two products I have received. Then I have got a package from the brand called Hilary Roda. Hilary Roda is basically the brand that makes very nice, good quality eyeshadow palettes which are very easy on pocket. So I did make a content on these two as well. One of them retails for 529 rupees and I've got two variants by them. And since I recently got my hair colored, I did receive the Bare Anatomy's Color Protecting Shampoo and also their Color Protect Mask. It's a huge tub and I'm very eager to use it, and then I'll let you know how this actually performs. And I also did receive a Hair Advance Growth Serum Roll-On, again by Bare Anatomy. Comes the brand Chemistat Play. It is basically a brightening roll-on, so wherever you have pigmentation, be it your knees, your elbow, your neck, you can use this and it's going to really, it does work. The only thing, 6 of their Insane Shifter eyeshadows, which are like singles, and I really enjoy using them. I did receive their quads, the duochrome eyeshadow quads. So instead of one single one, you get 4 different duochrome eyeshadows. I'm going to show them to you next. They're also very newly launched and I'll also show you what they look like from the inside. I did make a video on them. So see, this is how they package. So you get the same pan but in a palette form. So instead of one, you get 4 different shades, which is why it's called a quad, and there's 4 different colors. So this is all new. This is number 03 and there are 3 more. Next up is a package by the brand called Be Body Wise, and I did receive their hair health gummies. So they have biotin, they have multivitamins, they have zinc, so they strengthen the hair, the follicle, and it also controls hair fall, and it does really work. Next I received a pomegranate and collagen volume lifting serum by the brand called The Face Shop. This is how the bottle looks from the inside. I have not used it. I will use it very soon. Then I'll let you know how this performs. Next peer package is from a very dear brand that's called Aminu. I did receive their Melting Balm Cleanser, which is out of the world. So amazing. I think I'm the 3rd or the 4th tub and I really love and enjoy using this. And then I did receive their Copper Peptide Serum. It really works in aging. I've been using it and I love using it. It has advanced peptide complex, 4 types of hyaluronic acid, Ecton 17 amino acids. It is an amazing product. I don't know how did they invent this, but it's just so good. The package that I've received is by the brand called Hyphen. I received their Ice Dunk Face Mask, which has 3% caffeine and peptides, 31% skin cooling actives. Let's see how that smells like and how it looks like. I'm going to open the jar and show you. And then I did receive their 44% rice water brightening serum pads. I have already used one entire box of this and I really enjoy using it. So basically, you keep those pads on your entire face, and also you can fold them, keep them on your under eye. It really hydrates the skin, so which is why I really love. And this face pack, when I open it up, as soon as I smell it, it smells very cooling. It looks like gel, which is why I feel that it's going to hydrate a lot more. It's not like the regular clay packs, which is going to dehydrate the skin. So it is very good for people who have dry skin. And I've got 2 more products from the brand called Be Body Wise. I've got their hair growth serum. It's the roll-on. So you basically apply it on your roots before you sleep. And then I have also received the 20% urea foot roll-on. So if you have cracked heels, this repairs them while you're sleeping. So you clean your feet very nicely, dry them up, and then you apply this roll on your feet with a little bit of moisturizer and sleep, and it's really going to work on your cracked heels and it's going to repair them overnight. I have another balm sent by Dot & Key, the same balm. I love this a lot. And then I've been really enjoy using this So I have got this Barrier Repair Hydrating Gel face wash. This is not my first face wash. I have also used 2 more previously, and I also really love their moisturizer. Like the same packaging, there is a moisturizer as well that really hydrates the skin. So I really love that as well. Next, I received 4 products by the brand called Wishcare. I did receive their BHA anti-dandruff shampoo and their ceramide anti-dandruff conditioner. So these are the 2 products by Wishcare. And I did also receive their lip balms. One is natural, the second one is tinted. I'll just show you how they look like. So they lighten and protect the lips over time. They have an SPF of 50 plus. I received a box full of makeup from the brand called Swiss Beauty Select. It's the eyeshadow palette, and I got a Focus FX translucent powder, which is a setting powder. I've got the mascara, the liquid liner, there's this blush that I have, and there's a nail paint, and then I've got 2 more lipsticks, which are bullet lipsticks, and then I've got Hair to Stay. It is the matte lipstick in the shade Dried Mauve. I've used this in one of the lives and I really enjoy the formula. I've got a box full of Recode goodies. I think I'm just gonna upload a few stories and show you how each product performs and what all did I get. I think we need a separate story or a reel for this because there's so many things. The package that I got is by the brand called By Clean Beauty. I did receive one of their facial tools and their Eternal Youth Cream. It has hand-pressed almond oil, stem cells and squalene, which is really good for hydration of your skin. And I also got a Halo Uplifting and Soothing Face Oil. It has saffron, meadowform seed oil, marula, which is very interesting ingredients. I'm going to look it up and I'll tell you how they perform on my skin. And this is the 24K vibrating gold face massager, which I am very excited to use on my skin. Next, I received a PR package from the brand called Kiro. It's again Clean Beauty, and they have their newly launched lip balms, which is basically 6 different shades, and there's also 1 perfume. I already took one of the lip balms and the perfume in my handbag, so I'm using it and enjoying it. Up next, I have a huge carton by Forever 52. I love using their products so much. And I have got their Backstage blush palette, highlight palette, and then I've got 2 palettes for the eyeshadow. I made an entire video of me unboxing, so if you're interested in seeing how each product is and how they swatch and everything, so I've also saved them on my PR highlights. And then I did receive the 10 lipsticks, the newly launched lip stains. Then I did receive this newly launched glitter. There's Dazzle glitter. There's 10 different shades, so I received all of them. And I have received their newly launched banana powder. There's a translucent powder. I'm going to show you that as well. So if you want to see the unboxing in great detail, I would suggest that you definitely go and see the PR unboxing that I've saved on my stories highlights. How can I forget? I received another Stello palette. My god, I love this so much. And then I did receive an eyeshadow palette by Shopperel. I'm going to open it and show you how it looks like. This is Shopperel's newly launched Harmony palette, and it is a humongous palette. I guess there's 50 eyeshadows here. I'll have to see, but I'm assuming that it's not less than 50 at least. Look at how huge this palette is. The color combination, the color scheme is also so good. Like if you're a professional, the use of green and a blue, if you have that in a palette, so good. I love the neutrals. I cannot wait to create a look using this. And I might just use the green somewhere on the lower lash. I really love the layout of this. There's also one very dark brown. There's also one dark grey, which is actually calling my name. The palette is really pretty and huge. I love it. I attended an event by Fenty Beauty, so I did receive some of their goodies, which I'm going to show you what all did I receive. The first product is by Fenty Skin. It's the Plush Pudding Intensive Recovery Lip Mask. So this is how the lip mask opens up, and then it's retractable, so you just take the mask, put it on your lip, and it really is very hydrating. And I cannot put it back. And then I received the Invisimatte. It's basically instant setting and bloating powder. It's a velour kind of material which really works very well on the skin. So I can use it around the areas where my client, is sweating a lot, under eyes where the client is going to be, creasing a lot. So this is a very good product. And the best part is that it does not give any flashback. So it's great for people, you can also tell your brides to keep this in their trousseau if they are on a very oily side. So they just can do a touch up with this. It does not leave any pigment, so because it is translucent, so you just have to apply it with the puff that it has and you're good to go. Like no other touch up required when you're refreshing the makeup up. And then I received one match stick, which is basically a contour stick in the shade Swedish, which we all know how popular Fenty Beauty is for their contour sticks. And it's also magnetic. Like if I have a few more different colors, so I can just stick them and it'll look like a webcom, and it's amazing. Especially, if you're traveling. Sweetly enough, they also did give us a sweet box. Next, I have a PR package by Huda Beauty. Since I was traveling, and it's also very sweet enough to send the products at my home. By the way, Huda is on the cover page of Elle magazine of this month's issue. It's the November month issue. She looks incredible. So I did receive the Icy Nude palette. You know how this palette is, very beautiful. So I have another one in my vanity. It performs outstanding, blends like butter. So I received the newly launched Easy Bake Duo in the shade Cherry Blossom Cake and Peach Pie. So basically there's one loose powder with two different compartments. So if I want, I can take the cherry blossom, or if I want, I can just take the peach pie according to the complexion of the person that I'm working on. So I cannot wait to use them and show you. So I'm going to make a separate video on these two and show you how they perform outstanding. We all know that, but you want to see my opinion on this, so I'm going to make a content on this separately. Last but certainly not the least is I've got a giant bag actually, Nykaa Pink Friday sale by Nykaa itself, and this in itself has so many products which I just want to quickly show you so that we can wrap around with this video. I know that this video is going to be very long anyways. I'll just show you that as well. And then we have got very first product is the Erentia Fresh Green Rice Mochi Cleanser. It's basically a cleansing balm, very popular, and it does the job very well. And then I've got the Be Body Wise 7% glycolic acid exfoliating body stick. So it basically exfoliates the skin on a chemical level, and it also works on the pigmentation if you use it over time. And then we have a giant jar of Mamaearth Upton face pack. And then we have got the Bot Brazil mask. It's by Streaks Professional. It's for chemically treated hair, which I am really requiring at this moment. And then 2% kojic acid face serum by the brand called Dermaco. And I have the Novology Acne Deep Clearing Cleanser. I'm not somebody who struggles with acne, so I might not use it. I'll give it to somebody who is in need for that, then I'll ask them. And then I have got the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello body lotion. This is a very famous fragrance, and it really smells like vanilla. It smells like cacao butter, which is very amazing even if you listen. And then I have the Anua 10 Plus Niacinamide Serum, which I'm going to be using for sure. Up next, I have the Blurring Serum Tint, which is basically a tinted foundation serum skincare by Lovechild by Masaba. It's the 4-in-1 Blurring Serum Tint. So what I love about this is the packaging. So if you want, you can use it from this. Like, you can use it from the brush. But if you don't want to use the brush, or maybe if you want to sometimes clean the brush, then you can just open this package up and you can use it directly like that. And if you can maybe want to blend it with a blender, you can also blend it with a blender as well. So I really love how smart the packaging is, that it gives you options to use it in different ways. And I think this color is perfect for me, so I cannot wait to use this and show you how it performs. Next, I have this hair serum by L'Oreal. It has 6 precious floral oils very well, and it actually does what it claims to do. So I really love and enjoy it, and I cannot wait to open this and use it. Last products guys, and then we are going to be winding this video up. So I have got a lip whip by Faye Beauty. I love the brand, I love their ideology. And then I've got the Kiro 4 Play liquid lipstick. So it's basically a liquid lipstick which has 4 different shades. And then I've got the Pilgrim Dubai Bling Glitter lipstick. And then another Bollywood filter primer by the brand called Rene. Last but certainly not the least, sorry I said that before as well because I forgot about this package. It's by the brand called Pali Beauty. This really cute tiffin box which I did not use because I was actually saving it up for this video. Now that I've shown you guys, I'm gonna literally use this tiffin because it takes me back to my childhood memory lane. It's so nostalgic. It comes in with 3 different components, and in each component there's 1 makeup product. First component, I have got the liquid eyeshadow and the nail paint, and then I got the cream blush, is the liquid lipstick and liquid lip glaze. So 2 of these products, total 5 products by the brand called Pali Beauty. It's a newly launched brand, so I would want you guys to go check their page out and support. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of everything that I received in the month of November, and I cannot wait to see you next month to show you what all did I received in the month of December. And yes, stay tuned. I hope you didn't get bored, and follow and like this video. Follow if you like concept like this. Until I see you next, bye, take care.